Hiccup Haddock from How to Train Your Dragon is the epitome of budding courage and innovation. Initially an awkward Viking misfit, Hiccup stumbles upon Toothless, a mysterious night fury dragon, forging the most unlikely of alliances. Their secretive friendship not only transforms Hiccup's understanding of dragons, but inconspicuously shifts the entire Viking perception from hostility to harmony. Facing scorn from his own tribe and the daunting task of defying tradition, Hiccup learns to rise above adversity, eventually leading his people with compassion and wisdom. This journey is embroidered with the richness of friendship, persistence, and a remarkable leap from outcast to a legendary Viking, framed in an inspiring, family-friendly tone.